In this video, I'll show you how to connect your soundbar to your TV using one of these auxiliary audio cables. It's very easy and it can be done in less than 3 minutes. So let's get started. First of all, get your cable, make sure it's long enough. On the back of your soundbar, locate the auxiliary jack. It should say AUX or audio in. In my case, it's this port right over there. Go ahead and connect the cable. Make sure it's all the way in. And now it's time to connect the other end in the back of your TV. So on the back of your TV, you're gonna notice you're gonna have some HDMI ports, but down below, or maybe for you it's up there, you should see one of these audio out port. This one right over there. Sometimes you only gonna see a headphone icon beside it. This is where you plug your earbuds, headphones, everything of this nature. So it's a 3.5mm connector. You just have to connect the other end of the cable right there. Now it's time to connect the power cable, if it's not already there, to your soundbar. You can go ahead and turn on your soundbar.
Power on.
It's time to put it in auxiliary mode. This soundbar specifically has an auxiliary button right over here. There should be a way on the remote of your soundbar or on the soundbar itself to choose your sources. Choose 3.5mm jack, audio out, analog. Sometimes it's called like this, but in my case it's just AUX. Make sure that this mode is enabled. Now the audio came out instantly, but if you don't have audio, then turn on your TV, put something on it so there's some volume going out, and usually you should hear it instantly. If it does not work, you need to go in the menu of your TV. Depending which model you have, obviously this step will be different, but technically you need to go into the sound settings. Okay, I'll go in audio here. Sometimes it's called sound settings, audio settings. And where you see audio output, usually there's many options of different ways on how to output the audio. And in this case, for this TV specifically, TCL, you need to leave it to headphones if you want to use the headphone jack. If your TV is different, you may have an option saying headphone jack or maybe analog or auxiliary. Choose that option so you force the TV to output the sound through the port where you connected the soundbar. And this is about it. This is how you connect your TV using the auxiliary jack. If the volume is too low for you, even if the volume of the TV is to the max, you will need to adjust the volume on the soundbar itself. Okay, so again, on the remote control, you should have a volume option or on it as well. I suggest you keep the volume of your soundbar to the max, and then you will only need your TV remote to adjust the volume. You won't have to fiddle with two remote controls to change the volume. Don't power off your soundbar. This way, when you, let's say you turn off the TV and the next day you come to watch some stuff on it, well, the sound will come out directly from the speaker without you having to go in any menus or connecting or touching a on-off button on the soundbar itself. It will always be ready for you. So this is it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.